Let's check out some of Canva's new features and see how we went from this to this. Canva has some new features that I wanted to show you. I'm going to show you how I made this watercolor and this sketch and that star. So let's start out in a new page here. So what I did is I went to elements here and I put watercolor flower. Just pull up my elements here again and watercolor flower. And so I searched that out, and you can pick any one of these that you want. Um, I'll just grab this one here. And then what I did is I went into my uploads and I found a beautiful image of my two daughters at one of the daughters' weddings. And so you just take this image here of this watercolor flower and you highlight it, and then you go up here to style and you hit copy art style and then just click on the picture that you want to have that art style in. And so now it's doing its magic here. And let's give it a minute. This is probably a pro feature. I have Canva Pro, so I'm not sure if it is in the Canva free version or the Pro. But look at how stunning it made that image. That is absolutely gorgeous. So let's try another one here. So we'll add a page. And now I'm going to go to elements and I am going to search for a sketched flower. And I'll get a sketch flower here. I'm just going to grab one here and I'm going to put it up here in the corner. And then I'm going to go back into my uploads and find a picture here. Let's try this one. And now I'm just going to click on the flower again, go up here to style and copy art style, and then click on your image that you want to copy that to. And let's watch the magic happen here again as well. And it takes a little while, but it is well worth the time. So let's wait and see what it does for this sketch. That one didn't turn out as good, but you get the general idea of how this works. I mean, that is really, really cool. You could really make some cute coloring pages this way as well. I just can't get over how beautiful this watercolor look is. So let's go on now, and we're going to add another page, and I'm going to show you another one here. So you go into elements, and I am going to get out of this here, and I'm going to go back and I am going to find in my elements shapes here. All right. All right, pull up shapes here, and I am just going to go and grab a shape. So let's grab, I don't know, let's grab, well, I thought a star would be kind of nice for the 4th of July coming up, but let's just grab this one here. And then you can see that you can go up here to edit and you can change the color. So you can add a gradient color here, and then you can go under effects. And I like this echo one right here. This is so cool. And then you can change the direction of which way this echo goes, or you can actually offset it, which I think is super cool. So then now let's go in and pull in a retro effect here. And then you can change the color of that as well. So let's go back down to our gradient here. Let's do a red, maybe a blue. And then here we can change that to a bright red. And you see how you can get that effect going here and change it up. Some really fun things that Canva has added recently. So again, we can go click on our design here, go into effects, and then of course I clicked on the echo and we can change the direction of this. We can change the offset, and you can really get a unique looking design. That's how I did this one up here. So if you just go into effects, you can stagger the offset. You can go up and down, whatever you decide to do. So it makes it really interesting to make a really neat looking design. So now let's go and let's try to upload a design here because I just want to see what we can do with something that I brought in from Creative Fabrica here. I found these quirky, cute ducks. And so let's see what we can do here with this duck. So I'm going to bring it in after it's done uploading here. We'll go in and see if we can do anything like we did before. So I'm going to look for, let's try a sketch and see what we can find. Sketched flower. Oops, that's supposed to be a K, I think. Sketched flower. So let's search out a sketched flower. Let's bring that in. And then let's try this. Let's click on it, hit style, copy, and let's see if we can do that same thing to this design that we brought in from Creative Fabrica. See what happens here. It's working its magic. So, oh, that is cute. So you could start making some coloring pages with these. That is just adorable. So here's something else that I would like to show you. So I added some text here. This is Gastonia script. And then I went onto the background and I hit Ask Canva and I had it generate some background. So I had it generate this background and this greenery background. And now on this purple one, this is a Canva background, the purple, and I still have the same words here, but instead of going to Ask Canva here, I'm going to click on the background and I'm going to go to Edit, and I am going to have it edit the page, and I am going to go over here in the left in the tools, and I'm going to hit Decorate, and I can either write something here or I can just click Inspire Me. So I'm just going to click Inspire Me. So it's going to drop in ribbons and bursts for celebratory feel. And I'm going to add with a wedding vibe and just have it generate and see what we get here. So let's give this a minute to do its magic here. This is another one of the new things in Canva, one of their AI features. And so I thought this was so pretty when I had it bring in this greenery into the second one, and then it brought in the pretty flowers in the first one so that you can change it up. The nice thing about doing it this way is each one of these elements can be moved or made bigger or smaller. And so each one of these elements is separate if you do it this way. And so these are not, this is just one element, but these are all separate and so that you can move them around. So I hope this video helped you in some way. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.